So hi guys, since it has rained a lot, you can see right now also some of the rainwater, you can say, still there is little bit of raining none, but yeah, it's enjoyable, you can see. And everything is so green right now, and I have come to this pavement because I'm a bit scared that there can be any sort of creatures, so that is why. It's very beautiful after rain, very much greenery, you can see. And few people are this lane, and so I'm just happy because kids at time they create a lot of commotion, and then anything I will say it won't be listened. Kept a full time to go here, but bit scary too. This is Valmiki Vatka, where I was there when it was raining very heavily. So yeah, this is the place where I did my meditation also once a while. And right now I don't want to go to that muddy place. You can see it's a bit scared because of extreme rainfall that has happened right now. You can see the flowers, the tree has got these red flowers, right? We say something. I'm not able to recall all these are here. It's very beautiful weather, very nice weather. And things like, many people come here and ultimately they bring their mostly children, right? Because children are someone who will be more happy to go for all these kinds of these things, recreational things, right? A very old kind of a people tree. Many old trees are here. This place is known during the British times as well. So I live in Kanpur, and Kanpur is a place where majority of Britishers were here because of business. And you can see this poodle. I love this thing. Literally the trees, and this thing. It's more like what we call, cannot recall it. So Britishers were there, and a lot of loot has been done by through India. Like these guys were always up to looting our country. And you can see this cute little squirrel. She's up to something. I love her. So these Britishers were always up to that, and I guess because there's one pigeon also accompany me. One more has also joined. So yeah, you can see a good view of it. This park is so big. People come here to enjoy, to to do different stuff. So yeah, these are the things. So they basically came for the business. They were mostly looting us in a way or other form. So Kanpur, very much it was there, and you can see these early human beings, they have been made here, how evolution of humans happened. Place is nice, but you can see all these leaves have got this thing, right? Beautiful, nice place. You can see this one has got white flowers in it. I guess it will rain a lot today, so I will be going from here in few seconds or so, I guess. I'll see this tree, not very good. Okay, so yeah, that is the thing. And it's a huge place, love it, but unfortunately due to very much harsh rains we will be not able to cope up with it. And see, this is very good canopy of leaves. So yeah, better to go away, bit gentry issues, I guess. So yeah, that was all for today. Take care, bye.